Namaste. In this video, I'm going to run OLLAMA in Google Colab and will be exporting the API with the help of Ngrok. Okay, so you need an Ngrok account. So you need to create an Ngrok account from here and go to terminals and create an auth token. Okay, after creating the auth token, you have to just mm, replace it here. Okay, so and I followed this Stack Overflow answer and just copy pasted the steps from here only and let's get started. So the first you need to install OLLAMA with the help of this. The newer model have a basic problem with the while exporting in the free terminal of Ngrok. Like it's the error is with I guess HTTP headers. Okay, so that might be the problem. And the first you need to run each and every cell from the starting here. After running this cell, you will have to run the py-ngrok and then this ngrok the set out token. So after running this, you have to create the queue and you will get the public API here, with the public ngrok from here, and you can see the OLLAMA is running here. Okay, so after that, you need to start the OLLAMA serve from here. Just here, start OLLAMA serve. It will have to run this sixth cell and then this cell, seventh one, and you will get the start. After that, the URL you get from here, you have to copy it and export OLLAMA host from here. Okay. After that, you need to pull Llama 2 models or whatever models you want to use. Okay, you just need to go to the website here, OLLAMA, and you can see there are a lot of models. You can just pull and run. Okay, so models. There are a lot of models you can try. Okay, just need to pull and run it. So after that, when you pull the Llama 2 model or any other model, you can just do it with the help of curl. So let's just like this. Okay, you can chat with it with the help of curl command. You can just see here. Good morning, how are you today? Okay, so I just pasted this curl command to ChatGPT and asked it to create an code for chatting with it. So I just got this code and pasted it in my Gitbot and let us run it. Python update UI. Hello. Okay, so we got some response. I don't know what is it response mean, but we got some response. Okay. And how can I help you there? I just don't know which language it's talking. So whatever it is, well, we learned it. Okay, and we exported it as an API. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and I will give the notebook link or notebook in the comment. Sorry, in the description of this YouTube video. And thanks for watching.